Gavotte is a lot of slurs. Each bow is going to be doing 2 beats. We want to make sure that they're nice and smooth, whether we're staying on the same string or string crossing to the string next to it. High 2s on both of the strings, so next to that 3rd finger, use your ears so that they stay nice and in tune. Smooth bows, and as you gain confidence, try out those dynamics. We have mezzo forte for the first 2 lines, forte for the 3rd line, and back to mezzo forte. And these could be more fluid. As you get higher on the scale, you can get louder. And as you get lower on the scale, you can get quieter. All right, beginning 1, 2, ready, go. Now that last note is a little bit confusing to look at. We have a slur that is the same note. So actually that's just a tie. They're showing you, typically they would use a whole note. They're just showing you that's a different way of writing it. It's not incorrect per se, just not traditional to use, but you still hold it for only 4 beats.